Hello guys, and you're welcome. Now in this section, we're going to learn how we can build our Python applications into an executable file such that you can actually install that file, or you can send it to someone and they can install it on their system even if they don't have Python installed. Now we'll be using this program called NSIS, which is a null-soft scriptable install system, and we'll use that to package our files. And we will also need the Python Py installer. So in case you are not on Windows, you can actually use the Python Py installer to build your application. So let's go ahead and see how we can just do that as a quick setup. So also note for the null forge, you can just go to the download page. It's going to open up another page where you can just download the null-soft file. So I already have it downloaded and installed. So once it's installed, you're going to just search for NSIS. And if I click that application to run, this is the window I'm going to get. So let's just make sure you have NSIS 3.0 or a higher version installed, and then we'll move on from there. So let me just go ahead and close this window and drop it down. So from our command line, we're going to be using a Py installer, and to do that, you're going to just say pip install Py installer. Just like that. So I'll just press the return key and wait for that to check. Now I already have a Py installer installed on my system, so it's going to tell me that that requirement is already satisfied. So just make sure you have Py installer installed, and make sure you have null-soft NSIS installed, and we can get that from the website, which is sourceforge.io.net, and I'm going to just put that on the screen. So thank you very much for watching. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to compile one of our applications into an executable file.